Okay, this video is going to be about SK tools. If you've all seen my Instagram, you know I won an Instagram giveaway from Gabby Downing, I believe her name is. I can't remember what her Instagram page is. G-Babs or Dabs, something like that. I apologize for that. I'm sorry. But let me show you what she sent me, or what I won. Okay, first thing is some wipes, cleaning wipes. These are pretty cool. I haven't used this brand, which I'm sure SK doesn't actually make them, but you know. Sorry about that. But like I said, I haven't used this brand, but I have used, if you can see over there, the Tubbo towels. They're awesome. And I can't remember what they was. I want to say maybe gunk or I can't remember. Anyway, they was kind of orange. Holy crap. Like I said, they was the orange color like these, and they smelled like orange. Which these don't really, a little bit maybe. Anyway, these are going to come in handy. You can always use some cleaning wipes, right? All right. Next is some gloves. Now, the only problem with these, they're cool gloves, but they just have some leather on them. It's not really padding or anything, which, I mean, you don't need padding. You're not going to fight with them or anything, so, you know, it is what it is. But as you can see, they're large, and my hand is a little wider than that. I can get them on, but I'm afraid I'm going to rip them. So I'm not going to wear them. They're a little bit too small. I need extra large for my hands. But, you know, I think my wife is going to use them. She likes them. They fit her. Well, they're a little big on her, but they fit her. And then next is these this scraper set, 4-piece. There's the numbers on them if y'all want them. And the different angles of them. I'm sure you've used these. You may not have used the S&K brand, but I'm sure you've used this style of scraper before. These are cool. This is not really a tool review to say they're good or bad or anything like that. It's just showing you what I won on a giveaway on Instagram. It's awesome. And let me get the next one. Next is these screwdrivers. This is really awesome. I needed some screwdrivers. I'm going to put them in my bag that goes in my truck. These are going to come in handy. They're pretty awesome too. I mean, I love the grip on them. They're cool. Thank you very much. That was the number one. Here's the number two. Camera focuses in on the tool, blurs out the background. That's awesome. You see that? USA. Anyway, that's all the screwdrivers. It's freaking awesome. And the good thing about it is it came on this, which I'm going to probably use this as a wrench rack. It'll hold wrenches too, I'm sure. Anyway, look at here. Also won that banner. That is freaking awesome. I got enough room. I could put another one down there, one over there, one there. Depending on how big they are, I could put a couple. I want to get more of them to go on the door. That'd be cool. But that one right there is awesome. I love it. Thank you again. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I won. And that they are awesome. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.